Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. So gold market shows really very nice performance. From the technical point of view, it behaves perfectly and gives us the really lots of patterns for a second week where following the technical tools very accurately. That provides great patterns and trading setups. So if you remember, first we are trading this ABCD up. Then we've taken the short position right at 1322. Completion of these patterns was brain body trade on the weekly right at the 618 target, and it's collapsed down. And again, yesterday we have traded this final drop to the COP target of this ABCD pattern that was also perfect. Now we're watching for upward scalp trade. So that is a retracement on the intraday charts. So speaking on the daily chart, guys, if you would like to take the short position for you, this will be the crucial point is these lows of this hammer pattern. So once market will take it out, it will mean that our action is continuing, and it could be right at the 1260. So on the daily chart, these lows takes the very important, meaningful, and that will be actually the point that will signal us about the downward continuation. So until market stands above it, market stands in upward retracement. And that particularly what we will be taking a look today. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see our setup has done just perfect. Once reversal session has been formed, we said, well, market has formed here, got this triple to sell on the hourly chart. I will show you a bit later. We have talked about it yesterday, and then closer to the end of the session, market collapsed and hit the COP target 1283, also completing the butterfly pattern here. Response on this was really very great for scalp traders. You can see as soon as market has hit it, it immediately turns up. So you could treat it as a wash and rinse. Following the classical candlestick patterns, could recognize here perfect engulfing pattern. And usually, as you know, the engulfing target is a distance, the length of the bars itself. So as a rule, forming the engulfing leads to the continuation of the second leg and kind of the ABCD pattern. So currently we're watching for bullish continuation right to the 13 area, because that's, as we said, will be the normal target of retracement reaction on the COP 30% for a minor extension. This is normal reaction. So you can see 30 and even will be confidence resistance, and also this will be weekly pivot point. Talking about other patterns, guys, here you also could recognize a kind of the, as I call it, two candle bullish grabber, because my experience tells that although this is not described in the Judd Napoli book, but sometimes when the market forms the grabber not by the single candle, as you know, this pattern when the market just break the trend by the MACD by the not closed yet candle, but by the closed price it doesn't confirm it, and it calls as a grabber. But also my experience tells that when the market, for example, changed trend in an opposite, in current situation this will be bearish, and then on the next candle it turns it up, turns back again. Now you can see trend again turns bullish. I call it as the two candle grabber, and usually it works in the same manner as a classical grabber by the Judd Napoli. Anyway, here we have a lot of different patterns. Stands on the bullish side. This is a butterfly, this is engulfing, this is wash and rinse of these lows, this is as I call it, two-leg, two-session grabber. And also, guys, you could recognize here the hand shoulders. So potentially it could be, as you can see, 127 head and shoulders pattern. This could be left shoulder, head. Now it's bottom right of the right shoulder has been formed, and we're watching for upward action. So on the upside target, we will be watching for OP, and here's some nuances exist. Here's, by the way, guys, our setup for the short position. What we have with this ABCD pattern, you can see that potentially if you will take the A point as the absolute low here, you will get precisely 13 even target, and maybe it will be hit. I'm not argue, but when I'm taking the long positions, guys, I usually fade the targets where they're taking as a low, as a starting point, the point where the upper direction has started. Not this one, but here's when the rally has started. That give me the OP a bit lower at 12.99 approximately. And that has some advantages. First, you could close position easy because not a lot of orders will be in this area. You are closing a bit earlier than other traders. And just to give you more guarantee that you will close. Besides, do not forget that at 13 even, this is, guys, the fib resistance. And when you have the target that stands right at the resistance or slightly above it, this is creates some barrier for the close the position. And when you close just for a few pips before the major resistance, that gives you advantage. So that's actually the setup that we will be watching for. If you are trading on intraday charts, you could think about taking this position, dealing with this setup. Other traders on a daily, those who would like to go short should wait when the market will hit the 13 even. We already have talked about it. Or, as I said, once this potential hand shoulder starts to fail, market will start dropping back to the lows, so raising this recent rally. That will be a sign of weakness. And as I said on the daily chart, this will be important low. So as soon as market will vanish them, or, for example, if on the hourly chart market starts dropping close, coming close to these lows, when this will be obvious that hand shoulders has failed and engulfing pattern is failing. So that will be another situation that could tell us that downward action is continuing. There's no retracement at 13 even will happen. But currently, based on the price action that we see here, it seems that everything goes well according to our trading plan. Let's keep watching what will happen.